Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you, can you view all Blink cameras at once? Let's see in the video. As you can see, people provide their opinions about this. No, you can't. Blink cameras are not really designed for live viewing. It kills the battery life, which is the first reason to have Blink. I know other camera system can do this, Vince being one. I had Blink scams long before I got Blink cams, and I still have them sprinkle around the house for when I am out of the town. People says that view only shows you thumbnails of the installed cameras, not live views. There are two buttons at the bottom of each thumbnail, a camera/photo button and a video button. If you click the photo button on each, it will take a new photo and use it as a thumbnail instead of a gray screen. If you click on the video button, it will take you to the live view of that camera. The app shows you only one camera's live view when you click on the video button, not multiple cameras. You cannot see multiple cameras at once. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.